more snow. 2 more inches last night. And the weatherman said another 2 inches tonight. But it's my responsibility to make sure I keep my sidewalk nice and clear because I don't want my neighbors slipping and falling. So after scraping the snow off, I need to get out here, put on plenty of salt. Wonderful. This salt will be able to melt any of the ice that gets on there, keep it nice, my sidewalk nice and clear. After all, I don't want anyone slipping and falling. But wait a minute. I wonder what happens to all this salt whenever the snow does start melting. Oh well, at least my sidewalk is good and clean. But wait a minute, where does the salt go whenever it melts? I'm wondering if maybe it just kind of melts and goes down that sidewalk and then down the driveway, out into the street. In fact, you know what? Out in the street, I saw the salt trucks going back and forth last night. 2 or 3 times. They scraped and then they came out with the salt. I wonder where all that salt goes whenever it melts. I'm wondering if it maybe goes down a storm drain.
Road salt. Salt used to melt ice from sidewalks, driveways, and roads can be washed away by rain or melted snow into a storm drain. It is estimated that 9 tons of rock salt are used for every mile of roadway in Ohio per year. Salty water, heavy with chlorides and heavy with metals, will flow directly into a stream or river from a storm drain. Chlorides are toxic to aquatic plant and animal life and causes poor growth. Salty runoff also changes osmotic balance in soil and interferes with plants' natural growth process. If the trees or plants die, rapid soil erosion can take place on the exposed earth. Road salt pollution can be reduced by using a coarse material such as cinders, kitty litter, sand, or a cinder-salt mixture. Salt should only be used at the temperatures close to freezing for optimum melting effects. Salt should be used more sparingly by using it as in intersections or at bad curves.
Apply salt only when effective. Salt is not effective under 15 degrees. Find a substitute, such as cinder, sand, kitty litter, or a cinder-salt mix. Use salt sparingly at intersections or bad curves. Improve winter driving skills. Drive more slowly and leave more space between cars.